Hi guys, it's Justin. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Series 3 Zuru Mini Brands fashion balls. So I finally got a hold of these at Target. If some of you are looking for them in the store, they may not be in the regular boxes that you see on the shelf. It may be one of the 4 ink cap boxes. So keep a lookout for that. Sometimes they have them to the side, in between the aisles, and sometimes like in the holiday gifting sections. So if your store says they have them, be sure to ask an associate. But if you're looking, it may be in a different place in the store. So definitely toy shelf, the aisle, end cap, sometimes the walkway between the toy aisle, and sometimes the holiday gifting section. So I'm really excited about these. So the quality of the balls and the things in them has gotten so much better. I've seen so many different reviews where people are saying the bags look better, and now there is an option for shoes, better jewelry, etc., etc. Now wait a minute. So before I show you the collector's guide that I got, this is what is on the Target website, where it clearly shows shoes. I've also seen people unbox shoes, but I didn't get none. So here is our collector's guide. We got some ultra rare stuff, some common stuff, all of those goodies. Really, really cool. So it looks like we got some purses, of course. And then as we move down the list, we see some hats and some press-on nails. And these nails actually come off. The ones we had before did not. We have some more makeup and scarves, sunglasses, headbands. And these are actually chokers. And then some earrings and necklaces, bracelets, hip bags, and pins. So let's see what we get. So we have in the capsule, we get 2 things. So the big item and then like the smaller item. So let's see what we got in this one. Oh, that's really cool. So this is a clear bag, and it has some pearl on it, which is really, really cool. So I really, really like that. It has a little bit of paper in it right now. I'm gonna take that out just so you can see it as intended. It's really, really cool. Awesome. So that was that. Let's see what the smaller items are. So what we get? We got a cool headband. It's gold. We got some gold press-on nails. And that's really cool. We got some functional sunglasses. I like these. They're kind of vintage inspired. And they're functional and work and clothes, which is really cool. And a beautiful silver and green necklace. So I'm excited to try these accessories. So cool, cool, cool. So let's continue on the haul. Okay, so here we go. Second ball. And on this one, again, we get the 2 bags. Gonna get it larger. What's that we got? We got this kind of cream colored beach bag. Not too exciting, but hey, it's something. And then in the accessories, ooh, got some good stuff. Make sure I get everything out. That's really cool. So we get gold necklace, and then we get some matching gold earrings that I'm told actually do fit dolls like Barbie, with the pre-made holes, some red press-on nails, and this really, really lovely scarf. It's kind of Versace inspired. I really like that. Cool, cool, cool. Alrighty. So let's move to our third and last fashion ball. Okay, so here's our third one. And see what we got. Man, not the same baby. I'm really upset by that. The same one. Is it the same accessories? It is the same accessories, y'all. So here's the jewelry on Maria Felix. She is a Barbie that does have the pre-made earring holes, so they're a little bit larger than if you were to do that kind of yourself with like a pin. So they may or may not fit if you do it as a DIY, but always can try. Necklace, earrings, and headband. Really cute on her. So here are some more close-ups of a doll wearing the sunglasses and the silver and green necklace. Really, really cute. Okay, and so here are the close-ups of the bags. So I didn't get a double of the black clear bag that has the silver and pearl detailing on it. And then there's the cream beach bag. So, you know, cute stuff. And then here's the lovely scarf. It is doll size. And then these are the beautiful nails. I'm not gonna take them off. But I've seen videos like on my Froggy stuff where you can actually take like tweezers and take these off and put them on the doll's hand. So that is up to you. Hope you guys love this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.